Come with me, amazing family. Let's prepare some banga soup for the whole family. Over the years, there have been a lot of debates about banga soup. Which state in Nigeria actually own banga soup? If you know the country that the state, that is predominantly own banga, please drop it in the comment section and I would like to engage with it. So I've gone ahead to prepare the banga so that it can be very very soft for me to extract the juice. I only need the juice. The chaff and the kernel is not needed in this recipe. Okay, so it is soft right now and I'll use my bowl and my pestle to mash it until I'm able to pieces it and extract the water. So once I get my desired texture, I'll go ahead and add water and sieve it through a sieve. I'm using a very tiny hole sieve so that I can get the finest of the extraction. Okay, I hope you understand. And this is my pepper maize. I have tomato, onion, bonga and crayfish in that pepper maize, and this is my banga soup spice. Okay, what do you use as your banga soup spice? I actually want to know. And I added banla fish. Okay, this day I was actually running out of the house and I have to add everything before I leave. If not, I'm supposed to allow the banga extraction to boil very well before adding everything. But because I'm running out of time and I need to leave the house so that my people can complete it, so I have to add everything together. But trust me, the soup came out very very amazing. Yes, very yummy. When I say very yummy, so I added bouillon cube. I added 2 bouillon cube and salt. Okay, so after that I stir and I will cover it. Once I'm done stirring, I'll cover it and allow it to simmer very well before any other ingredient goes inside. How are you doing, my super amazing family? Thank you so much for always being there for me and my family, and I appreciate you. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do well to subscribe and I'll be glad you did. Thank you so much. Okay, so right here the soup is almost ready. I have to reintroduce the fish into it so that it doesn't get scattered. Okay, and what is banga soup without vegetable? I can't cook my banga soup without vegetable. Okay, because the nutrients in this banga soup in the vegetable is top notch when added. Okay, so I will test and check in for the spice and make sure everything is ready, and hola, our banga soup is ready. So what will you be pairing this if you have the opportunity to have a plate of soup? What will you be pairing it with? Drop your preferred swallow in the comment section and I'll be glad to know. Thank you so much for always being there. I see the soup, it is yummy. Just type yummy in the comment section and my hug is coming to you in our next video. So watch out for our next video, and thank you so much for always being there. And just a quick reminder, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you have not done so, this is a reminder to do so. Thank you so much, my super amazing family, and bye.